In this video, I'll show you how to install Spotify on your device. It's really easy and simple, right? If you are on your Android device, you can open up the Google Play Store. And if you're on the Apple device, you can open up the Apple App Store. Okay? Now, all you need to do is open up your respective store. For me, I'm using an Android, so I'll use the Google Play Store. I'll come here and click on search. And then you want to come up here in the search bar and just type in Spotify. Okay? Type that in and go ahead and search for that. So here we have Spotify right here. So I'll click on that and we have the install option. So all you need to do is come here and click on install and it will start installing the app. Okay? You just have to wait for a few seconds, let the app download and install into your device, and then I'll actually go ahead and open this up. So it's almost done right here, as you can see, and it's currently installing. So I'll just go ahead and open this up. And now we should be on the sign up page. So you can either sign up or log in. Okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.